My name is Ted Norman from Norman's Nursery, and I am the Chief Executive Officer. We had such a big facility up here in Linden that we really wanted to take a look at getting a handle on our electricity costs, and we thought, well, we should probably look into solar and see if it made sense for us. We interviewed 3 or 4 different solar panel companies, and based on the price and the people that were at JKB, we felt it was the best fit for Norman's. Working with JKB Energy has been a real pleasure. They have been there for us at each point in the process. They've been friendly and upfront and have come through with everything that they promised. Our first year savings were $113,000, which was actually over the amount that was projected in the beginning. This system should pay for itself in about 2.7 years.